Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select sources for your chat in NotebookLM. All right, so I'm in a NotebookLM notebook, and one of the things I'd like to do is engage with the chat. But since I have all of my sources selected, whatever the response I get is going to be based on whatever it finds in all of those sources, but that might not be what I want. If it is what you want, then just make sure that all of the sources are selected, but each of these sources can be turned on and off. So if I click on this button, it will deselect every source. And what this allows me to do is select only the sources that I want in order to inform the response that the chat will give me. So for example, let's say I want to ask it about something, and I really only want it to use these two sources. I don't want it to include information from anywhere else, just those two sources. Then I can select those two sources, and then whatever I ask in the chat, all of its responses will be based on whatever it finds in just those two sources. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.